Let me begin by introducing the supplied parts and hardware. We have a headlight guard, we have two large brackets, and then we have two small brackets to secure the large brackets, as well as two rubber grommets. The supplied hardware, two M6 by 30 millimeters long Allen bolts plus washers, four M6 by 12 millimeter long Allen bolts plus washers. The tools we're going to be using: 4 and 5 millimeter Allen keys, or you can use sockets, extension and ratchet. Now you can go ahead and remove the original bolts directly from beneath the turn signals, on both sides of course, like so. Then grab the large and the small brackets. You can see the notch where the small bracket has to sit inside. Grab the supply bolt. Don't forget to use blue medium strength Loctite. Turn the bolt a few times, pull it snug, and then you can repeat the same thing on the other side. Again, use the supplied 6 by 30 millimeter bolt. Don't forget to apply medium strength thread locking fluid. Now you can insert the rubber bumpers, push them all the way through, like so. Put it in place. Grab the M6 by 12 millimeter bolts plus washers. Again, don't forget to apply blue medium strength thread locking fluid. Turn it a couple of times. Next bolt, again, turn it just a couple of times. Do not crank it all the way down, not until all the bolts are in place. Third, and finally the fourth bolt. Okay, final step is to tighten all the bolts gradually, and then torque them to the torque specs. It's 10 Newton meters. And then double check after a test ride that all the bolts are nice and snug. Should you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us, info@outbackmotortek.com, or call toll free 877-931-3636.